covered up this trail. I feel like my tire's flat on this bike, and I always turn around and check and it never is. It's definitely kind of low this time, but let's roll into a bump start. Yeah, the leaves have like completely filled up the ruts out here. I will probably have a rough time making it up this off-camber section over here. I was having a rough time back before it even got wet. Now it's covered in leaves and wet. Whoa! Dude, it's still like ice out here, dude. I may get down here and not get back out. Oh God. Yep. Guys, I know this must look stupid on camera, but I'm telling you, it is slick. I'm just spinning. Golly. I'm sure once I watch that back on film, it's gonna look like it's just a tiny little hill and look fine, but I'm telling you, it's not. Okay. Love to see if I can get up in there. It's just so tough with that freaking fence. I need to back up in there with the tractor and mow some of that. There's like a little deer path coming off the hill. This thing will be a lot more manageable with that 12. Whoa! See what we can do up in here. Uh-oh, I'm boiling over. What the fuck happened? Did I break something? Oh man, this is not good. Either a line came loose or my GPI radiator broke. Can't find my boil over point. It's not boiling over. That ain't good. It's got to be a line. All right, I need to get this back to the house quick. Well, I got a little bit of coolant left. Whew, that's deeper than it looks. Find out where this sucker's leaking, dude. Oh, that's a bummer. At least I was near home. Bummer, dude. Okay, so let this thing cool for a while, then we'll fill it back up with coolant and run it. Need to zip tie that out of the way. On my bark busters, yeah, second or third ride on them, third ride I think, and the bolt already vibrated out of here, and this one was about to fall out, and I had these things torqued, man. Ah! And the good news, I promise you guys, I was able to get my hands on a coupon for the GoPro Hero 7. It was a substantial savings, and I went ahead and pulled the trigger, man. I've been going back and forth on it, but there's some indoor races and stuff coming up soon. I really want some footage, and it'd be a lot easier if I can pass that thing, pass the 7 and the 5 off to a couple guys to help me get some footage. So pulled the trigger. It should be here in the next couple days, which would be fantastic. Pumped about the hyper stabilization and the live streaming and all that. So yeah, I'm really excited because I've been wanting one of these since they came out. So that'll probably become my new, that'll be my new go-to camera. And then instead of having to stick a cheap camera on whoever's with me, they'll actually have a nice quality GoPro Hero 5 to use with metrics and all that. So 2 nice action cams with GPS and metrics enabled will be a nice addition to the channel. So yeah, guys, thanks for watching. See you in the next one.